Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about whether you are liable for injuries and a free ride offered. I would like to share a real case with you that might make you think twice before offering a free ride to a friend in this article. For the sake of privacy and a bit of fun, let's call our protagonists John and Mike. One fine day in April, in the bustling city of Xuchang, John was cruising along in his car, enjoying the breeze, when it happened upon his old college buddy, Mike. In a burst of friendly enthusiasm, John waved Mike over and offered him a lift. Mike, thrilled at the prospect of saving on bus fare and perhaps enjoying some nostalgic banter, didn't hesitate to hop in. Now, this is where our feel-good road movie takes a sharp turn into a courtroom drama. Midway through their journey, amidst tales of yesteryear and plans for the future, John unfortunately found himself in a single vehicle accident. Poor Mike ended up with multiple fractures, a far cry from the pleasant day he had envisioned. The aftermath was not pretty. Mike's medical bills piled up to about 68,000 yuan, and despite John chipping in at over 20,000 yuan, Mike felt shortchanged. The friendly catch-up now forgotten, they found themselves entrenched in a bitter dispute over the adequacy of the compensation. Unable to settle their differences amicably, Mike, perhaps in a moment of pain-induced frustration, decided to sue John. He demanded a staggering 279,000 yuan for his troubles. John, feeling betrayed over what was a goodwill gesture, pointed out that Mike hadn't even buckled up. The court had to step in to untangle this mess. They ruled that, indeed, John was mostly at fault for the accident. However, recognizing the ride was offered in good faith, they decided John was responsible for 80% of the damages, and still a hefty 218,000 yuan. This incident brings to light the intriguing concept of a ride of goodwill. It's like hitchhiking with friends and without the fun. Legally, it's a bit of a grey area. So if you're giving someone a ride out of kindness and things go south, how responsible should you be? According to the civil code, if it is a non-commercial ride and an accident happens, the driver's liability might be reduced, unless they're driving recklessly, like the YouTuber Squeeze in his channel Slow Bends. So next time, when you offer a friend a lift, maybe just double check that they're buckled up, and perhaps have them sign a waiver that says, "I waive all rights to sue for any sort of an accident." Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll talk about whether there is a death penalty in China.